You're going to lie on your back. You're going to put a foot on the wall, and you're going to have essentially a 90-90 configuration of your hip and your knee. But you can play with it a little bit so you feel comfortable. You can be a little closer or a little further. You press on the wall with your foot, and you feel what happens in your lumbar spine, your low back. Does it flatten when you press? And when you release, can you let your pelvis roll back to the wall, letting your back spring back up off the floor? If it doesn't spring, you can put a little roller crosswise under your pelvis. So as you press, you start to feel it stream through your spine to your head. And I'm going faster than you're going to do it at home. But see if you can press so you flatten the left side of your back. That would mean that your pelvis rolls. The pressure from your foot smushes the left side of your back into the ground, lengthening your left side. We didn't do this in the class, but from that same foot you could also experiment with pressing to your right side. And we're going to do this on both sides. And if when you press, your back flattens and your chin comes up, we call that a wave transmission. So there's a reciprocal wave. As you press, your back flattens and your neck moves up from the floor. And as you release, your chin comes back down and your back arches. Now, the other way it could transmit through your spine is the axis. And an easy way to feel the axis is to put a hand under your head, so that instead of your head rolling and traveling like a wheel on the floor, it's going to slide. So as you press, you're going to use your hand to help your head slide away from the wall, so that your whole spine flattens and lengthens behind.